gunfire. You saw some of it today. But he was trying to get to a safe place, which wasn't safe because we would have had the door blown up in about 47 seconds, they say on average, regardless of how thick the seal was. It was a very thick door. It was a very heavy door, but he was unable to get to that door. He made it to the door. He was unable to close it.
So what is it?
Industry there. Yeah, they just took it over like we were nothing. We had a president that decided not to do anything.
Samantala, sinimulan ng sitahin ng Land Transportation Office ang mga e-bikes at e-trikes na bumiyahe sa mga pangunahing lansangan. Yan ang ulat ni Bernard Ferrer. Halos mabansagang ari ng kalsada ang mga e-trike. Paano ba naman kasi halos bawat sulok ng